Hi, and welcome to RedTrack. My name is Vlad, and today we'll talk about quite popular topic, how to add ClickBank to RedTrack to track initiate checkout, purchase, and upsells. And there are two ways to do it: simple one and complex one. And we'll start with the simple one that involves using tracking pixels, and then proceed with the more complex one that includes using instant notification service. So this one will be connecting RedTrack to ClickBank using tracking pixels. Let's start. So first thing we need to do in RedTrack is we go to, let's start with the dashboard. This is our sandbox where do this demo recording. So we go to offer sources, click new from template, and then search for ClickBank. It doesn't search for ClickBank, so we scroll down and add ClickBank. As you can see, we already have our custom tracking domain here, and we'll copy it because we need it a bit later. Now, what we also want to do is scroll down here and add one parameter, event ID, and the other one is product. Unless you're a ClickBank vendor, you will not get access to information about the customer via a pixel or instant notification purchase, but you can get some other useful parameters, and we'll add those two parameters in here, product. And then we'll do event ID, product. We'll just put something here, it doesn't really matter for ClickBank at this moment. And then roles are important. We'll call this event ID, this will call the content name. So that's it. Make sure you change your currency, although you can work with multi-currencies, but that's a bit advanced step, which we also can show you in the setup. Now, what you need to do is save it. Next step is offers. You go to here, click new, give it name that you want, ClickBank offer name. And then you go to ClickBank Marketplace, you pick up the offer you want to promote. That's our, well, test sandbox ClickBank account. Thank you, ClickBank team, for providing this to us. Now we can do this video. And I'll pick the first one, for no particular order, just in e-business and marketing. Click promote. You'll probably know this stuff better. In here, just write click ID. Of course, it should be with parameters, but for now, we'll do it like here. So this is the hoplink. We copy it. We go into RedTrack. We paste it as a URL. And make sure we add curly brackets to the click ID. If you know and want to use additional parameters, feel free to add them, but TID is essential for capturing the conversions. Now, offer source, ClickBank, and we're done. We copy pixel here to save some time, click save. And important, just not to miss this step, if you're doing Facebook, you can proceed here, add your Facebook pixel either on the channel level or on the offer level if you use multiple channels to promote it. We won't do that at the moment, we have special guides for it. Also, don't forget that you want to add conversion events to capture ClickBank conversions. It's in conversion tracking. And in conversion type, this is the simple setup, so we'll focus on initiate checkout, and purchase. For more complex setup involving instant notification service, we'll add additional events that we can track. So initiate checkout, purchase, done. We click save, and we proceed to it's saved successfully. No, it's interfering with my clicking the save button. Now it's saved successfully, and we proceed to ClickBank, to a ClickBank account, vendor settings, my site, and we scroll down to add tracking code. So this is the simple setup for instantification service setup. We'll do another video that will talk about setting up advanced tools. So add tracking code, choose tracking pixel, add, and now we need to add two tracking pixels because one will be for initiate checkout that can be done only with tracking pixels. Another will be for purchase and upsells that are done through the confirmation page. So first one for affiliate, and we do for order form, which is initiate checkout. We remove the text we have here and use our regular postback and type equals initiate checkout. If you wonder where you get this regular postback, it's in RedTrack account, conversion tracking. Here you go, and this is the first part that you need. Postback question mark. That's where we start. Postback question mark. Then we add type, and then we leave the parameters we need to leave. Some people leave all the checkbox edit, but as long as you put in the correct values here, in our case, click ID. Now I don't have any sum for initiate checkout and product, just to capture the product. That's it. You can uncheck all the other boxes, or you can leave them checked. It doesn't matter because RedTrack will capture only click ID and product title and will record these conversion event as initiate checkout. The next one would be same logic, but now we do type equals purchase, and again affiliate confirmation page, and we do leave affiliate tracking code, click ID, product title, we leave it just product, affiliate commission. Now you want to have some revenue attached to a sale or upsell, so you pick it sum. Item number is item number. Receipt is basically your event ID that you may want to use for the duplication. Event ID. Again, if you're using currency, you can add the specific parameter for currency if it's multi-currency product. But other than that, you can just leave everything else checked or uncheck and leave the stuff that you only need for postback. We will recognize only affiliate tracking, product, and sum, and event ID. All the other parameters doesn't really matter. Saves you time not unchecking all the buttons, and you click save. And I remove this stuff and click save here. It's not saved, so I did something wrong. And I have no idea what I did wrong, so maybe they are saved. Let us check. Vendor settings, my site. Okay, that saved multiple times. So let me remove the ones that I don't need. Delete this one. So please mind that there is no alert if you save successfully, so you can save them multiple times. Make sure you leave the right pixels, one finish checkout one for initiate checkout, one for purchase. Remove the other ones. Now we have only two. Don't forget to activate them. One and two, and done. So now you're capturing initiate checkout and purchase for the ClickBank with the tracking pixel. If you are doing affiliate sales, that's sufficient to get all the conversions, all the initiate checkout conversions and um, purchase conversions, upsell conversions into RedTrack, and send them further to Facebook, Google, TikTok, or whatever other channel used to drive traffic for optimization purposes. If you're using RedTrack as a vendor, or you want some additional functionality provided by instant notification service, please check for our ClickBank setup uh, advanced approach using instant notification service that I will share in the description to this video. Thank you. This is Light from RedTrack, and we talked about how to set up conversion tracking for RedTrack. Enjoy your day.